I'm Ethan from CardSpot, and this is your daily pack opening for December 14th, 2024. In case you're wondering, some of these cards in this pack that are the silver named rares are also available as super rares at the end of the pack, so that might be why you see some double ups on rarities. We have Boot Staggered, Tenyi Spirit Vishuda, Evil Swarm Excite on Knight, World Gears of Theological Demiurgy, that's quite the mouthful, Malice CGWC 06, Tenyi Spirit Ashuna, and a Ryziel Cross, just a super rare today. If you want to see more full-length openings, head over to @CardSpot on YouTube. Otherwise, we'll see you back here tomorrow for our daily pack.